Hi there, welcome in. My name is Mariah. I'm an expert bookkeeper. And if you're thinking about starting a bookkeeping business or learning bookkeeping, you should watch this video. I'm going to tell you a couple of things nobody tells you as somebody that has been in this industry for 10 years. The first thing is, bookkeeping is not a get-rich-quick scheme, okay? It's not something that you can just think you're going to start and be wealthy overnight. It doesn't work that way. There is a process. You do need to learn bookkeeping. You do need to get certified, and you do need to have that consistency in looking for clients and building your business, okay? But can you do that in 30 to 60 days with consistency? Absolutely. Can you have your first client in 30 to 60 days? Can you have 10 clients within 6 months? Yes, absolutely. So there's tons of freedom and recurring income and all those good things built in. But just because you can get into bookkeeping as a beginner without experience doesn't mean you're not going to have to go through a learning curve and get certified and all of that. So it is a learnable skill, and it is a service that it is a service that businesses will pay for every month because they need it for taxes, for financing, to understand their numbers, pretty much everything. So the mindset you want to have going into it is that you need to be willing to be a beginner, but willing to learn, willing to go through the training. If you're able to commit 30 minutes to an hour a day for the first 30 to 60 days, you're going to build a lot faster. The best thing is don't bounce between course after course after course after course. Pick a path and commit to it. I recommend the Quickbooks online certification and training. It's totally free, and you can enroll in that and then let that be your path to training and certification. Don't get caught up in the watching a million YouTube videos and all of that. Just pick a path and get started. And what a good plan looks like as a beginner bookkeeper is step 1, enroll into the QuickBooks training. Go through the whole training. Step 2, take the QuickBooks certification. Get your full certification. While you're in that 1 to 2 process, be using the sample client inside the QuickBooks account so that you can have some hands-on practice. The step 3, you want to get your business set up. You want to have your documents set up. You want to have a payment processor so you can bill clients. And then the last thing is you want to start reaching out to clients. I go through all of this and I break all of this down inside of my free 3-day workshop called the Virtual Bookkeeping Series. It's inside my 80,000 member school community. There's a link in my bio where you can join. The best thing is this is a safe place, a free place for you to go. And in the 3-day training on day 1, I tell you exactly what bookkeeping looks like. I show you the software, how to do it, what the business model looks like. On day 2, I show you how to do it with a client start to finish, as well as how to get trained and certified. On day 3, which is the most important day, I show you the 30 to 60 day launch plan. And that is where you're going to be able to go step by step and understand what I did to get to where I'm at. So I give you all the links that you need, and I even show you how to get clients. So that 30 to 60 day launch plan is valuable. This is all free. You can ask questions inside the community. I just like to provide a safe space where people can decide if bookkeeping is a good fit for them, risk-free. So jump on over to the link in my description, follow, share, and if there's anyone you want to join the workshop with you, be sure to send the link to them.